Ever heard of Tabitha Babbitt? She was an American inventor and toolmaker, born in 1779 in Massachusetts. Tabitha was part of a peaceful community called the Shakers, known for their simple, skilled craftsmanship. In 1813, Tabitha invented something that changed woodworking forever: the circular saw. Before her idea, people used an old two-person pit saw, which was slow, exhausting, and wasted effort. One pull cut, the other didn't. Watching this struggle at a sawmill, Tabitha had a brilliant thought. What if a round blade could spin continuously? She built a prototype circular saw and attached it to a water-powered machine. And just like that, woodcutting became faster, easier, and way more efficient. Fun fact: Tabitha never patented her invention because the Shakers didn't believe in personal ownership, but her genius idea shaped modern tools forever